What's going on, guys? It's the dude from Dudes, and today we're cooking this massive ribeye. I know what you're thinking. Last time you saw me use the torch. Today I'm not gonna do that because I realized not everybody's got one of these cool things. What I am gonna do, however, I'm gonna cut some of this tallow back here off this nice ribeye, and I'm gonna render it down so I can season this bad boy. It's brand new, and I'm really looking forward to using it. All right, you see this fat piece in right over here, guys? This is just fat, so we can't eat it, but it is great for seasoning pans, so we're gonna get it out of there. I like to just kind of cut straight down, almost like a weird triangle, and then you have this big chunk right here. Boom, let's get rid of this piece. Hope I cut this long enough. So a little bit of olive oil, our signature steak seasoning right there. This is gonna be fantastic. Murray River, the best salt around. Got some on both these sides over here. 2/3 less sodium, no artificial flavors. Available at dudesgourmet.com. All right, so I usually don't season the outside. I kind of just go against my cutting board and pick up everything that's left over. All right, let's get this on a rack. We're gonna clean up our mess. We're also gonna turn our induction burner on over here to the lowest setting. For those people that say you never change your gloves. So then we're gonna go through this, and we want the hard pieces. We don't want really like the gooey pieces. Those aren't gonna be very good. Kind of cut it into like very, very, very small pieces. We want this to render down. Just want the oil from this, because it's gonna just work wonders for our new pan. This should be good enough. I'm gonna put it all in the middle of the pan because I'm convinced that this pan isn't flat all the way, and it's really pissing me off. So I really wanted to smoke this, but I realized not everybody has a smoker, so that would kind of just be like me flexing on you. So I'm just gonna throw it into the oven over here at 300, and then I'm gonna keep sticking it with this until it's at around 120. 120 is gonna be optimal eating temperature for me, the dude. That's how I like my steak. Medium, medium rare. More on the rarer side, or if you know what I mean, or ner. Got it? Cool. But if I was gonna put this in the smoker, I would put a little liquid at the bottom of this pan just to, kind of give some moisture in the smoker, because it's gonna take a longer time. It's gonna be very delicious. I don't know why anybody that had a smoker would put it in the oven if they had a smoker that's already outside getting hot. I don't know why they would subject themselves to putting it in the oven at 300 when they wouldn't get the optimal smoke and flavor from the oak and the cherry wood that's in there right now. But yeah, we're just gonna put it in the oven because, the oven. Are we cut? Cool. Put this in the smoker, bro. Why the f will we use the oven?
2 hours later.
It's been a little bit. Our ribeye is finished. We're gonna take it out right now. Stuck a probe in it, took it out at 120. Well, that's so weird. Why does it look like it was in the smoker? By the way, our beef tallow is completely rendered down now. We are ready to sear this. This has been sitting for a little bit. Clearly I smoked this, but you can put it in the oven at 300 until it's temped at 120. It's not that hard. We're ready to sear. So let's start with what was left of that fat cap. Get a pair of tongs. Get some tallow all over that pan by spreading it out. And now we're just gonna go 1 minute aside on high heat. 30 seconds into the first flip, throw in your thyme and rosemary, 2 knobs of butter, and then get your garlic in there. I'm gonna go right in with garlic that's not even peeled. Just give it a quick crack. That's it. And let it rip. I was really looking forward to using this pan, guys. All right, that's 1 minute. Let's flip it. Woo. Second minute's up. Flip that bad boy over. And now we're gonna start basting. Oh my goodness, look at that thing. Now we're gonna baste each side for another minute. Hey guys, I don't know if you can tell, but this ribeye is done. It's a big boy. Do not get rid of this. This will make an awesome sauce, awesome pan sauce. It'll be the beginning of a good gravy. Leave it. All right, guys, you're almost there. Now's the most important part, the resting time. You spent all that time rubbing it, just let it rest. That's it. 8, 9, 10. I mean, no more than 15. 8 or 9, that's fine. See you in 10. I've been waiting long enough, dudes. I'm cutting into this end to end. Perfect medium rare. Damn. That's beautiful. Give me a follow. See what crazy things I make with this meat throughout the week. Dudesgourmet.com. Order yours today.